everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google Lens on Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. To disable Google Lens on Android, first, go and open up Settings app from your Android device. Now, tap on Apps. From the list, click the three dots appearing at the top right-hand corner and tap on Show System Apps from the pop-up. Scroll down and tap on Lens. Now, tap on the Uninstall button from the App Info page. Tap OK in the pop-up, and that is how you have successfully disabled the Google Lens app on your Android smartphone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if it was. I'll soon be back with more help videos like this. Thank you for watching.